Chris here with the No Boss Life channel, the person in channel bringing you a little closer to breaking the cycle of the rat race. In this video, I'm going to go over some cool little ideas you can run with if you want to make extra money. So some little business ideas that, like I said, you can run with to just make as much money as you want. Number one, okay, leveraging other people's social media marketing agency. If you're like, that was quick, yep, we're getting into this. If you've been researching ways to make money online for more than a week or something, then there's a good chance you've seen this trend of people telling you one of the ways they're making money is by starting a social media marketing agency. Real quick, if you don't know what that is, that's just a business that goes out and finds, you know, companies or businesses in their area that doesn't have any social media presence. Right now, it doesn't take a genius to know that social media is very powerful, and it's extremely powerful for businesses. So what people will do is they'll learn, you know, certain little marketing strategies on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you know, things like that. So these people that start these agencies will go out and find businesses that have no presence, like I said, on social media, and they'll say, hey, look, I can run your social media platforms. I can drive more traffic to your website or get more people calling you to make appointments or whatever. You'll pay me this amount of money a month and I will keep that service going. A lot of people are intimidated by starting this type of business because, I mean, it can be, you're actually dealing with people, you're actually, you know, getting clients and stuff like that. But you can still, okay, be able to make money by leveraging other people's social media agencies. There are some agencies just starting out and they maybe have a few clients and they're trying to get more. And sometimes you can contact them or just find it on their site that, hey, you know, do you guys have some sort of little referral fee program where if I bring you a business that I know doesn't have any social media presence and you get them, you give me a little bit of a, like I said, a referral fee for that. You can make anywhere from 50 bucks a person or a business that you bring to an agency or even more than that. It's going to depend on how much that agency usually charges for their services. Two, you can get really creative with some of the people that I have networked with over the years do this number two, and do this number two. That's kind of sounds, we're not talking about the restroom here, okay? Don't know what this is. This is a really cool site where you can outsource or hire people to do certain work that you don't want to do, right? So like they have everything from graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, and I can keep on reading here. Obviously there was two more I could have read, but anyways. There are professional people willing to do these services if you don't want them, if you don't want to do yourself, and there are many people looking for these services. So what a big thing to do is to flip these gigs. So I actually personally know someone that flips websites on Fiverr where, you know, kind of like the social media marketing agency where, you know, that kind of agency will, you know, try to run people's social media, you know, for them. You would flip a website is going to businesses and seeing that they don't have a website. And the person that I know that was doing this, they're usually targeting like restaurants, like mom and pop restaurants that, you know, people love, but they really have no website or anything like that. And so they'll kind of pitch them on, hey, I can build you a website. And so they'll charge them a set fee. And a lot of times they just go to Fiverr. Okay, now this may seem crappy, but I mean, it's like business. I mean, that's how business works a lot of times, you know? So they'll find somebody on Fiverr that knows that can create a website, and they'll pay them and they'll, you know what I mean? So you flip it, right? So let's say you go into a restaurant or something like that doesn't have a website, and you're like, hey, pay me 500 bucks and I will make you a website. They're like, okay, done. Right? They pay the $500. You go on a Fiverr. You find somebody that will literally make you. You gotta really search though, okay, for a decent, you know, person of their work. You don't want to get like somebody crappy. You find somebody on Fiverr that's gonna make you the website for 200. As you can see, like you keep the 3, right? So, and this can get very creative. What I gave you a very broad example and something that a lot of other people are doing, but without giving away people's niches, I have heard some really creative ways people are flipping gigs on Fiverr, and they're constantly adding new categories. Like, look at this. They got car wraps, you know. Oh, a Twitch store. Wow. So Twitch is like huge. I didn't even, okay. Let's see, did it? Yeah, I hope it switched. Twitch is like this huge thing, right? You know, gamers, things like that. And now they're starting to integrate people being able to monetize their channels and things like that. Apparently you can have a Twitch store. So right now I would probably jump on this because they're probably, I mean, there are probably some people doing it, but probably not more than you think. You could totally flip gigs on Fiverr for Twitch. Free affiliate marketing. You may have seen a lot of videos of people talking about this, so I'm not going to give you a whole explanation, but basically affiliate marketing is being able to make money selling other people's products or services. They can be online or offline. Like that #1 way I told you how to make money, that's would be maybe a form of affiliate marketing. You find an agency that will give you a referral fee if you bring them a business that they can, you know, charge however much money to run their social media platforms. There are other companies and programs and products out there that you can get commissions when you promote them. Affiliate marketing is a big way that I actually generate income online from home. I've been doing it full time since 2013. What's crazy is the types of affiliate marketing programs I've ever got with have actually taught me really cool social media marketing skills. If I wanted to start my own agency, like #1, I probably could do that fairly well because the same skills that I've learned to do well with affiliate marketing just in general online, I could apply to a social media marketing agency, or I could apply to, you know, getting referral fees from other social media marketing agencies. Depending on what niche you're going for in affiliate marketing, you can learn a lot and you can learn skills that you can literally take with you for the rest of your life. I've been making $200 to $500 on a daily basis doing affiliate marketing, and specifically with a direct sales opportunity right now, but I won't talk too much about that here. I think the coolest thing about the things that I have laid out here are very affordable, okay, for anybody to start doing. It's not going to cost you thousands and thousands and thousands or even hundreds of dollars to get started with any of these methods. You just have to be able to, you know, figure it out, learn it, do research and things like that, or get with people that can coach you or mentor you, or get into programs that are legit, that actually show you how to do these things. We are still in the beginning stages of really unlocking the power of the internet for our own lives, especially financially. That's why if you've looked up a lot of videos on how to make money online, I mean, they're all basically going to have the same thing. You're either making money by doing certain kind of tasks online, or you're going to be selling something. If you've been somebody that's just been sick of the rat race and you're just like, oh my gosh, I gotta find something that can make me more money, or something that I can do that helps me free up my time a little bit more once I get rolling, I highly recommend you actually take action on either of the strategies I talked about here in this video, or really dive in and find something you can do. Money can be the easiest thing to come by right now, or it can be the hardest thing to come by right now. You use the power of certain platforms on the internet with and mix it with the creativity, okay, that you can come up with. There are many ways you can actually make a lot of money online. There should be a video popping up somewhere on this video that goes over my #1 source of income right now online. It's super powerful. Get out if you want. Or you can leave a comment, like the video if you want, or hey, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Hope this video helps, and more importantly, I hope you take action.